another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute braid out using Protective Styles hair clip-ins. Now listen girl, there is no bleaching, no dyeing, nothing complicated involved. This is a very simple tutorial, real easy to recreate, and these clip-ins are so bomb girl. They blend seamlessly with 4C hair. Like, you don't even need to do nothing, but I'm a little bit extra, so I decided to do a twist out, and I am loving the results. It looks so nice and healthy. You don't know where my hair ends and the clip-ins begin. Like, this is my hair right here, and this is a clip-in. Now tell me that texture isn't identical. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, really easy to follow along. I have all links to the products that I use down in the description box, so be sure to go ahead and go there. And as always, if you shop Protective Styles hair, you can use AseaMae to save that cash. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the tutorial.
Alright you guys, so I'm going to be using 2 packs of the Protective Styles hair Kinky Coily textured clip-ins. Now this is what they look like straight out the package, and once you wash them, this is what they look like. I co-washed them and they have some nice curls and they dry beautifully. So I'm starting with a braid out on my natural hair. My hair is nice and moisturized, nice and clean, and I'm gonna just go ahead and part my hair where I want my part to be and then section out a little bit of hair around that. Then I'm gonna put that hair away and proceed to braiding my base. Now my hair dries real quickly at the roots, so I make sure to spray my moisturizer into my roots before I braid, just to make parting easier. And then I'm going to take my comb and begin to part some parts, just going straight to the back. Once I've got my part, I'm going to go ahead and spray my moisturizer on again and smooth that throughout my hair. Then I'm going to take the Inasi Naturals Rock Your Curl and I'm going to seal in that moisture. Once I've got that in, I'm going to begin to braid straight to the back. And I'm just going to continue this process all around my head. And once I was finished, I had a total of 7 braids. So now that I have my base, I'm going to go ahead and pin away the ends of my hair. I'm just using a bobby pin to tack each side, and then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to install the clip-ins. I'm going to start with a 4-clip piece. Just install it from side to side until I reach the front. As you're installing these clip-ins throughout your head, make sure that you're clipping the clip-in on top of the braid, and if you clip it onto your scalp, make sure that it's not too close to the root of your hair. If it feels uncomfortable when you first clip it, take that joint out and redo it. You do not want to keep it in. It will hurt your scalp over time. So go ahead and install these comfortably, and you'll have a nice finished result. So this is what my hair looks like once I've got all the clip-ins in. I'm going to go ahead and take out my leave-in section and part that bad boy open so that way we can get to blending. I'm going to take my water and conditioner mix and go ahead and spray the hair and my leave out. Once I've got that done, I'm going to go ahead and section off the part that I'm going to twist. And I'm going to wet that once more and apply my Rock Your Curls by Inasi Naturals. This is just going to allow it to set very well. So I'm going to twist that joint up real nicely so I can have a nice beautiful twist out, and I'm going to make sure to add product to the very end, that way the ends can curl up too. So I'm going to do the same process around my entire head. Then once I've got to the top where my hair is, I change up my method a little bit. I'm actually going to take the Inasi Naturals Rock Your Curls and focus it directly on my hair. I'm going to smooth it throughout and make sure that I blend my hair in really well by raking my fingers through. And then I'm going to twist it up. And again, I'm making sure that I'm smoothing as I twist. I'm using my regular twist out method. If you haven't seen that video, click the I button to go ahead and learn the methods that I use when I twist. But yeah, I'm using all my methods and I'm applying product as needed. And then I just continue the same method on all of my leave out. Once I've got my hair fully twisted up, I'm going to proceed to add in the color. I'm using the Loreal Liquid Chalk in the color purple, and I'm going to just shake that joint up really good before I apply it into my hair. Then I have on gloves for this to make sure that my hands don't get stained. And all I'm doing is just pouring it on my hair and then squishing it in. I'm making sure to really work the product in, and I applied almost the entire bottle to my entire head. So I really wanted to make sure that this color was nice and saturated and that I really got some good color payoff. So you're just going to continue to apply the color into your hair. Be careful because girl, it can get really messy, so you want to make sure that you have a towel. Then after I've got it completely saturated, I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for 20 minutes. And my hair is pretty much dry at this point, so I went ahead and got from underneath the dryer and I just walked around for about an hour and a half to let them cool. Once I've gotten dressed, I'm going to proceed to take these twists down, and I noticed that some of the spots were wet, but my hair, my leave out, was completely dry. So at this point, you're just going to take down your twist and you're going to fluff to your desired look. Now once you get to your hair, that is when you're going to change up your methodology. What I'm going to do is start at the end. I'm going to be really gentle, make sure that I don't separate my hair at all. Then once I've gotten that separated, I'll proceed to separate my hair as needed to make it look seamless. And you want to just separate where it naturally separates, that way you're not causing frizz. And as you can see, my hair is blending right in. And this is what my hair looks like once I've completely taken it down. Now I'm going to add a lip color because I felt like I needed something to help this hair, you know, pop or whatever. So I'm using this Ofra liquid lipstick, and I'm going to combine two colors just to give me more of like an ombre purple. Once I got my lipstick applied, I'm going to go ahead and take this gel and I'm going to get my edges because we cannot have the edges all over the place. So I really wanted to make sure it was nice and smooth and looking good.
And that's it, you guys. This is the final look. I absolutely love it. The only thing that I can say that you do need to be aware of is that the two products that I mixed together, the Loreal Hair Chalk and the Inasi Naturals Cream, didn't mesh well. Even though I got gorgeous results, I actually have some flaking, purple flakes falling when I shake my hair, when I move my hair. They fall everywhere. So I personally would recommend that you just use your leave-in or use a liquid-based product. Test it with something maybe that's not a cream, just to make sure you don't get flakies, you know, because it does flake when mixed with other products. Just play with different products. It's not that bad. It's not really annoying, but it is something that you need to know. Also, when it comes to the Protective Styles hair clip-ins, I did get some shedding when washing the hair, but after you wash it, you won't have any shedding or anything. Like, I'm not getting any strands when I pull right now. After they're clean, you don't have to worry about shedding. It does really great. It's nice and full. This is only 2 packs. I could fit another pack in, but I wanted to go for something that kind of was similar to my natural hair. I didn't want to go too big today, but I will be doing another tutorial for you guys with 3 packs. Let me know what you guys want to see next. So I have blonde and I also have red. Let me know if you guys want to see blonde or red in the comments box down below, and tell me if you want to see a braid out or a wash and go with clip-ins now. So it's not going to be a lot of my hair out. I'm going to listen to y'all and I'm going to make it happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join the AseaMae fam because I got more hair videos coming for you guys. I love y'all and I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.